Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I'm your science teacher. I'm Shagufta Makpool. Please open your notebook of science. Today we will complete remaining question answers in notebook of science. Today our topic is my body. Exercise number 1 is answer these questions. Answer these questions are here. Today we will have to complete remaining question answers. Before starting these question answers, I am going to take a short review of this lesson. After listening this short review, you will be able to give answers of these questions that are given here. First of all, I am going to tell you about my whole body is covered with a thin layer of skin. It helps me to feel when something touches my body. With the help of our skin, we can feel. With the help of our eyes, we can see. With the help of our ear, we can hear. With the help of our nose, we can smell. With the help of our skin, I told you, feel. With the help of our tongue, we can taste. So students, we have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. First of all, you will have to know about what is the meaning of sense organ. Sense organs mean parts of the body that help us to know about our surroundings. Here are 5 sense organs that help us to know about our surroundings. Let's start question answers that are given here. Exercise number 1, answer these questions. Question number 7 is name the five sense organs. You have to write the name of 5 sense organs. I am showing you pictures of 5 sense organs. Look at here students, these are sense organs. Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. The name of these sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. I am going to repeat it again. Eyes, ear, nose, skin and tongue. Eyes help us to see. Ears help us to hear. Nose helps us to smell. Nose helps us to breathe. Skin helps us to feel. Skin tells about us, tells about hot and prickly things. Tongue helps us to taste. We can taste food with the help of our tongue. So we can write, we have 5 sense organs. The name of these 5 sense organs are eyes, ear, nose, skin and tongue. Now you will have to write the names of 5 sense organs, the picture that you have seen. Eyes, ear, nose, skin and tongue. Question number 8 is, that is written here. Question number 8 is, I am going to read. Question number 8, how do your sense organs help you? You will have to tell How do our sense organs like eyes, ear, nose, skin and tongue help us? So you will write here sense organs help us. You will start answer like this way. Sense organs help us. Spelling of sense organs are written here. Sense organs help us to know about our surroundings. To know about our surroundings. Spelling of know, K-N-O-W, know, A-B-O-U-T, about, R-O-U-R, our surroundings, S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G-S, S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G-S, surroundings. So, and complete answer is, you will have to write here, sense organs help us to know about our surroundings. You will have to write answer like this way, and you will have to write answer, name the 5 sense organ I told you. You will have to write question number 7, name the 5 sense organs I told you: eyes, ear, nose, skin, tongue. You will have to write like this way: eyes, ear, nose, skin, tongue. Next one, how do sense organs help you? What is the meaning of surroundings? How do you sense organ help you? Sense organs help us to know about our surroundings. Surrounding means the place where we live. The place where we live. Okay students, today you will have to complete question number 7 and question number 8. With the help of this video, you can give answer and you can write answer of question number 7 and question number 8. After watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.